Good morning, friends. We are studying the introduction to microbiology. We are studying the different microorganisms. Various microorganisms which are present around us, they are useful in a various ways. As a human being has realized the importance of the microorganism nowadays, not just at the domestic level but at a commercial level also, we are using these microorganisms. In the previous video, we had discussed about the production of the dairy products, that is like that of the yogurt as well as cheese we had discussed. Now the next product which we obtain with the help of these microorganism, that is the probiotics. Now what are these probiotics? These are also the dairy product, but in this dairy product the active microorganisms are present. Sometimes whenever we are suffering from the disease like a diarrhea or the loose motion, at that time what happens? The microorganisms which are naturally present in our body, which are useful for us, they will destroy or they will remove through via this diarrhea or the loose motion. And at that time, doctor whenever prescribe us medicine, at that time he will give the sachet which contains the small granules. And these granules, they contain these active microorganisms. Now which are these microorganisms and how they are useful for us? The species of the bacterium, that is Lactobacillus acidophilus. It is one of the species, Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei or casei you can say. Actually these are the microorganisms that helps to regulate the digestion process. And these bacteria, they are naturally present inside our intestine. Within our intestine, these bacteria, they are naturally present. But what happens sometimes when we suffer from the diarrhea or a dysentery, at that time via loose motion, these bacteria, they are removed. At that time when we go towards the doctor suggests us that you should have to eat the कर्ड, रॉ कर्ड ॲज वेल ॲज अ राईस, भात आणि ताक खा किंवा दही आणि ताक खा असे डॉक्टर आपल्याला सांगतात. व्हॉट वुड बी द रिझन? आपल्याला डॉक्टर ताक किंवा दही ज्या वेळेला खायला सांगतात त्यावेळेला दह्यामध्ये नॅचरली काय आहे? द बॅक्टेरिया, दॅट इज लॅक्टोबॅसिला, दे आर नॅचरली प्रेझेंट इन अ कर्ड. अँड व्हेनेवर वी आर इटिंग इट अलॉंग विथ द राईस, then these bacteria they will regulate the process of our digestion. They will regulate the process, and because of this, these bacteria, they are very important for our digestion. Large number of microflora is present inside our body and it is useful for us. And nowadays, as we had realized the importance of this microorganism, the probiotic food items, they are now available in the market. And these product, for example, the probiotic kefir, this slide, the probiotic chocolates, these probiotics, they are available in the form of a yogurt, then kefir, then different chocolates which contain these active microorganisms, that is Lactobacillus acidophilus, Lactobacillus casei and the Bifidobacterium bifidium. These are present. So this is the main difference between our simple yogurt, that is curd that we prepare at our home, and the probiotic food item that are available that contains these active bacteria. They contain the active bacteria and they are useful for us for regulating our digestion process. Look at here. This picture I had got from the internet. Here this is our, what it is? It is our digestive tract, digestive system, and it contains the useful microorganisms. But what happens? Sometimes doctor gives us the antibiotic, higher doses of antibiotic, and if these higher doses of antibiotic they are given to us for curing certain diseases, they will kill the active microorganisms which are present inside our body. Look at here. These bacteria, they kill the or the antibiotic, higher doses of antibiotic, they kill the a useful bacterium. Or so for this purpose, in the next, the harmful microorganisms, that is a Clostridium, you know very well this Clostridium, the species of this Clostridium that is increased whenever we suffer from the diarrhea or dysentery. Clostridium is there, then amoebic dysentery is there. These are the harmful microorganisms, and if their population increase in our body, then we may suffer from such a diseases. And to decrease the population of these Clostridium as well as some of the harmful microbes, these probiotics, they plays a very important role. So these useful microorganisms, they will inactive these antibiotics also. They will also inactivate or kill the harmful microbes that like that of the Clostridium, and in this way these probiotics, they plays a very important role. And because of this, nowadays at a commercial level, these probiotics, they are synthesized and they are available in the form of different products like a kefir. They are available in the form of chocolates, whatever may be the dairy product that we are eating raw, that contain that are available commercially in the form of their probiotic atoms. Next slide. I want the next slide. Look at here. It is one of the example that is given in our book, that is a miso soup. Now what is this miso soup? Friends, this is among one of the most important Chinese food item. Japanese as well as the Chinese, both they use this food item, and it contain the soybean, then sea salt, as well as the rice koji, or we can say in our language ज्याला म्हणतात तांदळाची पेज. Okay, so all they are added together, and this miso soup. Miso soup is formed by means of the fermentation process, and it also contain the useful bacteria, that is for example lactobacillus. It is added, and by means of the fermentation, this miso soup is prepared. The next food item or probiotic food item, that is, these are the pickles which are made from the cabbage. Okay, we know that in our area we are preparing the pickles of mango and lemon. In that we are not using microorganism, but there are some food items or vegetables from which the pickles they are made, and in this also the active microorganisms they are used. Not more information is there for your study, but for your understanding I am telling. Look at here, it is cucumber, and the carrot and various other vegetables, they are also used in making the pickle, and for increasing the quality of this food item, the microorganisms they are used. The next slide, it is that of the spirulina. Friends, this is one of the most important algae. Look at here, it is the algae spirulina, and in European countries, the medicine which is manufactured with the help of this algae, it is one of the microbe. The spiruline tablets, which are the energy giving tablets. And in our India also, the medicine which is made from this spirulina, it is available. So this is also one of the most important algae, that is the spirulina or microorganism from which the probiotic medicines they are available. Now the next one is, that is a blue-green algae. Are you familiar with the blue-green algae? You might be known the different blue-green algae. You know the nostoc, anabina. These are the blue-green algae, and these blue-green algae, they are the natural fertilizers. They I think in the 9th standard you had studied in the paddy field. In the paddy field, the azolla is cultivated. Why the azolla is cultivated? Because in the roots of this azolla is one of the pteridophyte, and in the roots of the azolla, the anabina and nostoc like blue-green algae, they are present. Nostoc is present, and it brings about the natural fixation of the nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere, and it is useful for the growth of the paddy. Paddy means rice. So this is the blue green algae. And the next one is chlorella is also there. Chlorella, you might be known about the chlorella, is one of the algae which is also unicellular, so it is also the microorganism. And the cultures of the chlorella, they are used, or they are maintained in the spaceship. Whenever the astronauts, they went in a spaceship for the research purpose, at that time they carry the cultures of the chlorella, and which is also rich in nutrients. So in this way, these probiotics, they plays a very important role. And as we had realized, so nowadays different food items that contain the active microorganisms, they are available in the market. Because of the time limit, the next part we will see in the next period. Thank you.